Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring everyone has the right Microsoft 365 licenses and access. This avoids delays. Once done, create a SharePoint site as your single source of truth and define scope, milestones, and owners so responsibilities are clear. Next, spin up a planner plan and attach it to a dedicated Teams channel to centralize daily work. Make sure to set task priorities and due dates immediately. That gives your team a working cadence and prevents scope drift from day one. You now focus on execution. Run stand-ups in Teams, update planner tasks in real time, and store deliverables in SharePoint so everyone sees the latest file. Once tasks are flowing, build Power Automate flows to post planner updates into Teams and sync key documents to folders. Automation reduces manual status chasing. Make sure to use planner charts or project for the web for timeline views, and consistently tag tasks with owners and priorities so bottlenecks are visible and can be resolved quickly. You wrap up by confirming all deliverables live in SharePoint and archiving completed planner tasks so the project record is clean. Once done, export final timelines and status from project for the web for stakeholders and capture lessons learned in OneNote to inform future projects. Finally, secure the site by revoking temporary access. If things go wrong, check cache and connectivity, resync Teams connectors, and inspect Power Automate run history to find and fix broken automation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.